Hi everyone! Welcome back to another easy English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about something simple and real, how I spend my weekend. I'll speak in a clear and gentle way, so if you're a beginner or around A2 level, this will be perfect for you. Ready? Let's begin. On Saturdays, I don't rush out of bed. I usually wake up around 8 in the morning and enjoy a slow start to my day. The first thing I do is make a warm drink, usually tea. Then I have a light breakfast. Because it's the weekend, I feel calm and unhurried. There's no work, no stress, just quiet time. After that, I take care of my home. I clean the kitchen, wash any dirty dishes, and tidy up the rooms. I also water my plants. They sit by the window and get lots of sunlight. A clean space helps me feel comfortable and peaceful. Later in the morning, I go out for groceries. I usually walk to a nearby store and pick up a few things like fresh fruit, vegetables, and bread. Sometimes I add a few extra items like milk or snacks. When I finish shopping, I head back home with my bags, enjoying the fresh air along the way. In the afternoon, it's time to relax or spend time with others. Some weekends, I meet my friends. We sit in a small cafe, drink coffee, and talk about our lives. Other times, we go for a walk in the park. It's quiet, slow, and refreshing. When evening comes, I like to cook something special. I might prepare a simple meal like pasta or soup, or try something new just for fun. Cooking during the weekend feels different, more creative, more enjoyable. After dinner, I wind down. I might watch a movie or a short series. It's my time to rest and enjoy the quiet. Sunday has a softer rhythm. In the morning, I often read a book. I sit near the window with a cup of tea and take my time with each page. Sometimes I play music in the background. It creates a calm and cozy feeling. Around midday, I visit my family. We share a meal, talk about our week, and enjoy each other's company. These moments are important to me. They make me feel connected and happy. In the afternoon, I start getting ready for the week ahead. I do my laundry, organize my things, and make sure everything is ready for Monday. I also write a small to-do list so I can start the week with a clear mind. On Sunday night, I go to bed early. I take a shower, put on comfortable clothes, and read a little before sleeping. By 10 o'clock, the lights are off and I'm ready to rest. And that's how I spend my weekend. Now it's your turn. What do your weekends look like? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English practice.